everyone, welcome to episode 1 of Crafty Meadow. Today I will show you how to create miniature hangers for your doll clothes. Nothing more than pliers and regular paper clips will be used. If you decide to do this yourself at home, take extra care and the younger viewers may need some help from an adult. Wow, no more untidy piles of clothes. Now Barbie has an organised wardrobe. If you have any questions or requests, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please also consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.